Number 2, part 3 and 4. Find the x and y intercepts and then find the minimum value, the maximum value of the function f of x. Let us recall first what is f of x. So we know, given that f of x equals 1 plus 3x minus x squared, and in a standard form it looks as minus into x minus 3 over 2 all squared plus 13 over 4. For intercepts, we have the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So let me start first with the y-intercept, which is determined by putting x equals to 0. Here you are free to choose which form you want to replace the x equals 0 in. So it's better to replace it in the first form, because f of x can be easily determined to be 1. To find x-intercept, we say put y equals 0, and the best form to choose is the second form, because it is already in a standard form which is already ordered in a way we can solve for x. So we get, this is my y equals to 0, and now I'm supposed to solve for x, so I take the constant to the other side. I get minus for this square equals minus 13 over 4. I multiply by minus both sides, so I get the coefficients to be positive. Then you apply the rule for solving for x squared. So if x squared equals to a, we know that x becomes plus or minus the radical a. This is a result of applying a square root on both sides. So I get x minus 3 over 2, which is all under the power of 2, equals plus minus big square root for 13 over 4. And then this implies that my x is 3 over 2 plus minus radical 13 over 2. So we got one intercept on the y-axis, and this is, we call it the y-intercept, and we have two intercepts on the x-axis, and they are called the x-intercepts. However, if you feel that you need more clarifications, you can always refer to our math video explanation section related to this topic. This was part 3, so we proceed to part 4. And we are required to find the minimum maximum value of the function. All you have to do is to say that my vertex is either a minimum or a maximum. So the vertex that we determined in part 2, we got it to be 3 over 2 and 13 over 4. And we pick the coefficient of x power 2, which is a minus, either from the standard form or from the given form. So we say I have a to be negative. And this means that the parabola starts from the minus and goes to the minus, and it looks this form, so it has a maximum. So the answer will be, there is a maximum, there is no minimum, and the maximum is my vertex of coordinates 3 over 2 and 13 over 4.